so Innovative E is here to help you transform work and project management into a competitive advantage with modern cloud-based collaboration tool sets that enable everyone to work toward your core objectives. And if you really think about that, it's time to start thinking about work and project management as a potential competitive advantage, not just something that you have to get done or something that is a necessary overhead. If you really are executing and doing project management well, it can be a competitive advantage for your organization, for your department. And the way that we feel is the best way to do that in today's world is to use collaboration tools and build in your project management scenarios to those tools, namely Microsoft Teams. So let's leverage Teams for project management and start collaborating, because projects are about getting work done, because Microsoft provides new, easy to learn project tools that are built to put collaboration first. And we can embrace those casual project managers in your organization that want something a little bit lighter weight than Microsoft Project on the desktop offers. And we can reduce shadow IT solutions and disparate data. Here's what it looks like, folks. So using Project inside Teams provides a complete scheduling engine and tool inside of Microsoft Teams. Here you see Microsoft Project, the new version, often referred to as Project for the Web, coming through in Microsoft Teams. It offers real-time co-authoring, a copy project feature, threaded discussion, and resource assignment right within Teams. And of course, you can use Kanban boards for those of you who are doing some alternative methodologies, or you just like the feel of moving a card from in start, get in progress to done. And so your team members can participate in your morning standing meetings by taking ownership of cards and moving them through. We have dependency management. So we have critical path, the concept of critical path in a project. So we have predictable end dates. For those of you that are using Excel today, you don't have this unless you're getting really tricky about your formulas, and there's a lot of room for error there. So we include that scheduling engine in the solution, so that when one thing pushes out, it has dependencies built in that pushes out your schedule.
Yeah, Brian, some of the stuff that's really, when we talk about Project for Web or the modern project experience, the goal is to make it as accommodating to those people that are unfamiliar with project management practices as those people that spent their life, building Gantt charts. And just
Right.
That is the number one thing I saw early on. The survey was a good third or more has been using Project Desktop. The truth of the matter is that Gantt chart is the scariest part for most team members that are going to come casually stumble upon a plan. So I know you're going to talk a little bit about being able to show them a view of the world and to show them how they can quickly message along the tasks without having to be a formal project manager.
Yeah, and we've been around for a while, Jeff. I mean, that's always been a pain point is, you've got that great, awesome Microsoft project schedule, but where is it? It's on your desktop, right? Or it's saved as a PDF to some file drive or SharePoint somewhere, or worse, you're emailing it around as an attachment. There's a better way to do things. There's a better way, folks, and it's to leverage these new tools inside of Teams that allow your team members to provide updates in real time, to interact with the schedule in the way that they want to. And because we're using Teams and because we're leveraging the full power of the Microsoft platform, the documents and artifacts that we're creating as a result of these tasks that are in projects are co-authorable right within the Teams channel. So whether you're using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, your files are posted alongside of and also in the context of the tasks that are taking place. So you're attaching a file to a task or a project and you're putting it in to Teams, which is where you're collaborating anyway. So you can stop emailing the file attachments around or finding the file drive that they go in. They're just in the Teams channel. And that means that you can co-author them together, use the threaded discussion, and really collaborate on those project artifacts.